Hey everybody, so I didn't film my morning routine because first off, I don't have classes in the morning. Second, my morning is boring. I don't do anything except eat and watch Gossip Girl and be on my phone. I'll film me getting ready for my first day of school, but today is actually the 4th day of school because every time I try to film this, something else had to come up. This is gonna be clickbait. This is actually my 4th day of school. Okay, so I am done with my makeup. I know it seems so much for a Zoom call or something, but I am going to a birthday thing after. It's not a lot of people. I just want to like go quick and come back because I have another class which I will show you guys. Anyways, my class is supposed to start at 3:20 and it's about to be 3, just 10 more minutes. So I will go straighten my hair, or actually I'll bring it here because it's too hot out there, and I will see what my hair will look like, and I have to decide on an outfit. So I just finished with my hair. I'm just gonna wear this. It's cropped, but nobody knows that. Oh shit, I forgot to eat. I will eat in class actually. So my class is about to start. I went downstairs, made me a sandwich because I'm hungry. So I just got back from like the mini party reunion thing that I had. So I transformed back into the old fit and ignore the clothes on there because I don't feel like folding it. So I got dinner, apple and another sandwich. So in the group me they're saying that they don't know what the Zoom meeting password is. And honestly I don't know either, so they're gonna figure it out when there's nobody there. I guess I will be going to this class because there is a damn password that they did not give us. Someone emailed the school, so they'll see eventually. Meanwhile, feast with me. I hope they take a long time, so enough so I can finish my dinner. No one wants to come inside. Someone got the password. They really have me waiting for a long time. I almost choked. I'm gonna go before I embarrass myself.